So we're gonna build a building with these. I think. Oh, how you doing, honey?
Oh, let me get a look at that backside. Oh!
Brian, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm doing bird calls. What are you doing?
Not that.
You're ruining our whole rhythm here.
To be fair, it didn't seem like what you were doing was working out that well for you, so I'm just gonna keep doing my thing.
Look, another girl's coming. Just shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk about it. Hey, how about you smile for me, honey?
Oh, you make me so hard like this.
Brian, what are you doing?
What are you guys trying to do?
We're trying to get laid. What does it look like?
Have you ever gotten laid just yelling at a woman passing by on the street?
Well, not yet, but you know.
And you've been doing it every day for years now.
That don't mean nothing, okay? I don't see you getting laid.
Well, I've only tried my method twice. I don't think we can definitely rule it out. Not yet.
Oh, looking good, honey.
How what is that pussy, princess?
Excuse me?
I'm just curious how what that pussy is.
You're a fucking pig, you know that?
Oh, take it easy. We likes you, that's all. You know, that's
Yeah.
how we express ourselves.
Okay, let me give you a piece of my fucking mind, okay?
What the fuck?
I don't believe this.
You just don't understand how women work, okay?
Yeah.
You fucking scumbag.
Oh my god! The bitch blinded me!
Holy shit. Come on, let's leave these freaks.
Wait, I kind of want to watch.
What?
Can I take you out to breakfast?
Absolutely.
Is that their baby?
I think so. It's probably one of those liberal slut bird women, probably on the pill. Roe versus Wade versus my balls. As you know, I'm a staunch Republican. I didn't support Trump, but you know, he's the face of the Republican Party, so I gotta get behind him.
Come on, let's get you to a hospital.
Yeah.